This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bobby Lawrence. Restored classic Victorian with wrap-around porch. Beautifully renovated with keeping the original charm of character of this home. Inviting foyer, columns, gas fireplace and staircase. Dining room. With bay window. Updated kitchen with breakfast bar and butler's pantry. Beautifully designed tiled baths. Third floor bath has steam sauna. LG. Primary bedroom with fireplace. Replaced lighting and custom blinds throughout. Private backyard oasis with inground pool house with full bath, LG deck leading to pavered patio with firepit, garage size storage, landscaped, exterior lighting. Slate roof maintained every 2 years. No flood and